So I took out some of the sausage. I left about half cup in there with the drippings. I added 3 tablespoons of butter and a half cup of flour, and I put to create my roux. I waited until I thoroughly cooked out the butter in the drippings, and then I added milk. I added 3 cups of milk. I'll see if I could do another half cup, but I'm pretty sure 3 cups of milk should be fine for my family because it's just the 4 of us today. I'm going to add some pepper, so once it thickens up, I'll come back on here, okay? You can see here the consistency of the milk is starting to change. It's getting a little bit thicker. And now that it's bubbling, it's going to thicken quite fast, and so you're going to want to keep an eye on it and keep stirring so that the milk doesn't get caught on the bottom. Well, the gravy technically. Right now I'm going to check the spice level, the salt level, and see if I need to add any. This is the consistency I want. I took it off the pan. I'm going to transfer it into a bigger pot so that I can add the sausage back, and then I'm going to check the spice level. So I'm going to leave this here, and I'm going to start working on the dough for the biscuits. I don't know what happened to my measuring cup, so I'm going to use it. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. I don't have any fresh buttermilk, so I'm going to use this combined with whole milk. To 1 cup of water, I added 5 spoons of the buttermilk powder, and I'm going to add 2 spoons of dried milk. I was going to add the milk, but I left it out, and so it was kind of warm, and everything needs to be really cold for these biscuits. Oh, I also am going to use 1 stick of butter that I have in the freezer. I'm going to grate that into the flour mixture. Now just add your buttermilk and gently fold everything together.